circles. Hello trees, hello sky.
Birds and bees go flutter by.
To the plants and animals, love I send.
Nature, you are my friend. I water the flowers, talk to the trees.
Whisper to butterflies, fly free please.
Watch the squirrels dance and run.
Playing with nature is so much fun.
Barefoot grass feels soft and cool.
I jump in puddles after school.